PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
No need to push forward. The table is in front of you. You always need to give it some power. It doesn't make sense. The ball is not sent to the other side by your actions. Just like that day when he hit the ball, I told her, I rely on you to send him on his way. After you give him a chance, doesn't his ball go over by itself? Why do you have to give him a chance? Do you see how dangerous this ball is? Almost hit the edge. The second bounce is on the white line. Why do I have this gesture of sending the ball? Will it hit the edge? Why give him a chance to practice? When I stopped after giving him a chance. Do you guys really like to give him a chance? Just give him a chance. The ball went out by itself after returning. You just need to give him a chance. How about I have shown you so many demonstrations? Do I have a serve? Don't I just lift and then serve? I don't practice often. You guys practice every day. I really don't practice. Do you feel like giving it a push? Walk alongside the ball. Yes. If you stop moving, the ball will move by itself. You don't need to push it. Here. Just make sure your shot is real this time. Hey, are you trying to hit the ball from bottom to top? Do you want to play it short? Hey, do you want to play it short? Can you play it with a flat hit? You won't be able to hit fast even if you try all your life. Then what should I do? My hand should be slightly higher than the ball. Your hand should be slightly higher than the ball, see? Isn't it easy to hit a curved shot? It's not good if your hand is much higher. Why is it too high? You smashed it, right? Is it okay if your hand is lower than the ball? It's not okay even if your hand is lower than the ball. Did it turn into a cut shot, right? That's why the hand should be slightly higher than the ball, you see? The curve shot was pushed to low. Did it get to flat again? The curve shot is to low again. The same goes for hitting from the side. You can still push the curve shot down. Is it high? Not high enough, right? Are you finally pushing the curve shot down at the end? Look at the side spin. Even if it bounces up a bit, it still hugs the net. So, when you play from bottom like this, do you think it's appropriate? You can go to the other side. You should go to the side in front of you. Come here. Watch how I serve the backspin ball. Relax. None of them are out of place. Are you exerting force with your hand? Just use your fingers and wrist for this. After I serve, I will stop and not move. Come touch it. What do you think? You should use what you just said. Mainly, my muscle content is not enough. It's too loose and not firm enough. It's too soft and not firm enough. I want to touch it again. Right, I definitely did it. All the force is concentrated at this point. Understand? All the force is concentrated at this point. After I serve, you can touch my stomach again. Although the exterior is greasy, the liver is inside, right? Relax. Oh, this is good. This is good. Let's go again. You can use more force. It's okay, it's okay. What kind of force are you guys using? You might be using this much force in this long distance. You've used up the force of these 100 pounds. I'm saying in such a short distance. It's just from relaxation to this point. Just this little distance. I've used up the force of this 100 kilograms. Is it concentrated? Yes, relax. I just can't grasp focusing at that moment. Focusing at that moment is also very simple. Why tap the feet? Why slap the abdomen? You have to harmonize. All for the sake of focusing. Using force is not just about your hands. Do you need to use force in your center of gravity? Right, If your center of gravity doesn't exert force, it's not focused. Why can your hands suddenly exert force? Why is that? Are hands individual entities? They are not. What did I do? Look at my feet. Let me show you. And after I serve, you can touch my stomach again. Yes. Although the exterior is greasy, the liver is inside, right? Right. Center of gravity, core power, hands. Right. The hands should be relaxed and leading. These two are about accumulating force, right? What is this you're doing? Is this a hidden loop? I think you're giving too much. You're missing the lift. Does the high toss involve a rotating lifting action? Good, then I'll combine this with the hidden loop. Could you see my lifting action? A lifting motion. Right, this is how you can perform a hidden loop. In the end, you just... Then it turns into a small quick shot, right? Since it's a hidden loop, the lifting action must come out. Never do this quick shot. This is useless, right? No problem. I think it's easy to learn. Very dare to lift and then flatten it out. Lift and then flatten out, right? Very good. Pure underspin is very simple. Separate movements. One is forward friction. The other is backwards pull. One real, one fake is the spin. Real spin, fake spin. If the spin is one fake and one real, then it won't spin. Hold the racket, reach under the ball, but absolutely do not utilize this backward wiping motion. It's the fake motion of spinning the ball. The real motion of spinning. Instead, it's the fake motion of not spinning. Haha, do you understand? What advantage do I have by serving like this? This ball is not easy to lift high and control the arc. It's too obvious, right? Oh, then you look again. Spinning. Is it real chopping and fake wiping? Fake chopping, real wiping. Chopping is fake. Wiping is real. There's a timing difference in this.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.